This is how I make moi moi that is not sweetie. I do not understand what really happened on this moi moi, but when I started washing the beans, I removed everything away from the beans and I soaked the beans for 1 day. Then the next day, I said, okay, let me start grinding my beans. And I started grinding my beans. Then, after grinding my beans, I then brought out all the ingredients with belly pepper, and then brought out a crayfish, prawns, and then brought out mackerels. I brought out, what are they calling it? Oil. I brought out everything to cook this moi moi. And at the tail end, I now discovered that after cooking it with season and Maggi, this moi moi was not sweetie. I now went to go and throw the moi moi that is not sweetie away. Because why? I do not know. I do not know. But if you want to learn how to cook moi moi that is not sweetie, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. And I want to use this opportunity to tell you that it is not all the time that the chef are cooking food that is sweetie. Sometimes the chef do make mistake. So just free, enjoy yourself. Pardon us for your salary. Pardon us for everything. Just feel relaxed and eat the food. There is no need of discriminating. Okay, just feel relaxed. Okay. Thank you so much. Watch the video to the end. You will see how I prepare the moi moi that is not sweetie. One love, guys.